Hello students, welcome to lecture 4 of unit 5 metal corrosion, its prevention and electrochemistry. In this lecture we are going to talk about the factors affecting rate of corrosion. Before studying the factors affecting rate of corrosion, let us know about electrochemical or galvanic series. Electrochemical or galvanic series is the series of the metal ions which are arranged in the increasing order of their standard reduction potential values. Okay, with reference to hydrogen, the standard reduction potential value of hydrogen ion is considered to be 0 experimentally, and with reference to hydrogen, the other metal ions are arranged in the increasing order of their standard reduction potential from top to the bottom in this series. So what is electrochemical series? When elements are arranged in increasing order downwards from top to the bottom of their standard electrode reduction potentials in the series, that arrangement is called as electrochemical series. In this series, the metals with low reduction potential value are chemically reactive and have more tendency to undergo oxidation due to loss of electrons and act as anode. So the metal ions which are placed at the higher positions in this series, upper positions in this series, they have low reduction potential value and they are chemically highly reactive, and hence they act as anode and undergo oxidation. Whereas the metals with high reduction potential value are passive or inert, which have more tendency to gain the electrons and act as cathode and get reduced. In electrochemical series, the metals which are placed on top displaces the metals below them from their salt solution. For example, zinc will displace copper from the solution of copper 2 plus ions as Zn plus Cu2 plus, giving Zn2 plus Cu. So here zinc will undergo oxidation and will get converted into Zn2 plus ions by losing its valence electron, and copper ions will accept those electrons and will get converted into copper metal atom. So this way zinc displaces copper ions from its salt solution. A metal high in the series is more anodic and undergoes corrosion faster than the metal below it. An element with low reduction potential can displace another element having higher reduction potential spontaneously. For example, lithium corrodes faster than magnesium, zinc corrodes faster than iron, and copper corrodes faster than silver, and so on. So the metal which is at the higher position will displace the metal which is placed below it. Now let us discuss the factors influencing corrosion. There are two main factors. One is the nature of metals and second the nature of the corroding environment. There are many other factors related to nature of the metals. Let us study about it. The first factor related to nature of metal is position of metal in galvanic series. As just now we discussed about electrochemical series, the metal higher in the series is more active and suffers from corrosion as it acts as anode. The rate and extent of corrosion is directly proportional to electrode potential difference between them. So the metal which is placed at the higher position in the series acts as anode and suffers from corrosion. Second, purity of the metal. Impurity of a metal generally causes heterogeneity and form minute electrochemical cells within the structure of the metal, and the anodic part gets corroded. For example, zinc metal containing impurity such as lead or iron undergoes corrosion. because zinc is more active than the iron and lead. The rate and extent of corrosion increases with extent of impurities. Higher the impurity, more is the rate of corrosion. Third is nature of the surface film. This we have already discussed under the types of oxide film and its nature. So when the metals are exposed to atmosphere, we know that practically all metals get covered with a thin surface film of its metal oxide. If this film is non-porous, then the metal is protected from corrosion, as non-porous layer does not have pores and cracks in it, so it acts as a protective layer and stops the corrosion of the metal further. But if this film is porous, and then the corrosion of metal continues till all the metal gets destroyed completely. The fourth factor related to metal nature is nature of the corrosion product that is formed. Under that, first is solubility of the corrosion product. If the corrosion product is soluble in the corroding medium, then corrosion proceeds at a faster rate. Otherwise, if it is insoluble, corrosion will be suppressed. For example, lead sulfate is insoluble in H2SO4 acid. So, lead sulfate formation in case of lead in H2SO4. So, lead when it is in contact with sulfuric acid medium, lead sulfate is formed, which is insoluble in sulfuric acid. Hence, the further corrosion of lead is suppressed. Second factor is volatility of corrosion product. If the corrosion product is volatile, it evaporates as soon as it is formed, thereby leaving the underlying metal surface exposed for further attack. And this causes rapid and continuous corrosion. As this also we have studied under volatile oxide layer, that was the third type of oxide layer. Example was molybdenum forms molybdenum oxide volatile, which is volatile and it evaporates as soon as it is formed. So in this case, the corrosion is rapid and it is a continuous process. Now the second factor that was responsible for the increase of corrosion is nature of the corroding environment. Under that, there are various factors such as temperature, humidity, and whether the conducting medium is acidic or neutral. So how temperature affects the rate of corrosion? With increase of temperature, the corrosion rate also increases because the reaction as well as diffusion rate of ions in the corrosion medium increases with increase in temperature. So higher the temperature, higher is the rate of corrosion. Humidity. The higher the humidity of the atmosphere, the greater is the rate and extent of corrosion, because the moisture acts as medium for oxygen in air and behaves as an electrolyte. For example, atmospheric corrosion of iron is slow in dry atmosphere condition or dry air compared to moist air, as the rate of atmospheric corrosion is slower than the rate of electrochemical corrosion. Okay, that is why in moist condition the iron undergoes corrosion at a faster rate because it is a electrochemical corrosion. Third factor that is responsible is effect of pH. Generally, acidic media are more corrosive than alkaline and neutral media. So in acidic media, generally the rate of corrosion is faster as compared to alkaline or neutral media. However, atmospheric metals like aluminium, lead, etc. are corroded in alkaline medium, and the corrosion rate of iron in oxygen free water is slow until the pH is low. Zinc is rapidly corroded in weakly acidic solutions. Thank you.